Gina Paulus here with Home Buddies. Today I'm going to show you a great way to help isolate your glutes and make sure that the front of your leg isn't taking over for a job that the glutes should really be doing. We'll also tie in some TAs or transverse abdominis into the move, which will be great for getting your core involved in your bridging, which will really help your leg strength training, any type of skill work you might want to do, or anything like that. So we will be lying on our back. I do have 2 stacks of books here. They both have 2 books. And you don't actually want to set these up against the wall. Reason being, if we're against the wall, we won't know if we're pushing the books away, which means we're using quad, but rather it's better to have the ability to tell that based upon whether or not your books slide. All right, so you'll be on your back, and then making sure that your feet can be just about hip distance apart. We're going to start by scooping the tailbone under, and you should feel your lower abs start to engage. You can even leave your hands there to feel that. We want them to firm up, but we don't want them to bulge out. We want them to flatten. Once they're flattened, you can go ahead and lift up, telling your glutes and even your hamstrings to work harder than the front. So you can use your hands for feedback and see how you're doing with that. Tell your quads to be really soft, really squishy. Those muscles aren't doing much. And then slowly lower it back down. Take a moment to rest. And then again, really telling your glutes to do the work. Front stays soft. Abs are scooped and engaged. And then down. So by having your feet elevated, you are going to encourage your body to utilize the hamstrings and the glutes, which is what we want.